50 Irish words you need to know. Let's start. Firstly, córa. Córa is the Irish for conversation. Córa. And in that córa you're probably going to be talking about your Ainm, which is name, and Aois, age. Ainm and Aois. You'll be using your voice. So 2 words for voice is Guth or Glór. Guth or Glór. When you're talking or using your voice, you're going to be using your mouth. So Béal is the Irish for mouth. Béal. Speaking and talking is next. So speaking is Labhairt, Labhairt, and talking Caint, Caint. Hopefully when you're in a córa you're going to be doing some listening as well. Éisteacht is listening. Éisteacht. And when you're listening you're going to be using these. Cluasa. Cluasa is the Irish for ears. Moving on to the family then. There's 2 words in Irish for family. Teaglach or Clann. Teaglach or Clann. Whichever one you feel comfortable using, either one for family. In your family you're going to have people. Duine is the Irish for people. Duine. And if you're just describing one person, it's Duine. Duine. Some members of the family then. Máthar is mother. Máthar. Athair is father. Athair. Deirfiúr is sister. Deirfiúr. And Deartháir is brother. Deartháir. A cousin is folctha. Folctha. And children is poistí. Poistí. Let's talk about the house next then. The Irish for house is teach. Teach. And from the outside you can see a Doras, which is door, Doras, and fuinneoir, which is window, fuinneoir. Moving inside you're probably going to come across the hall. So the Irish for hall is Halla. Halla. And the Irish for room is seomra. Seomra. Seomra C is the sitting room or living room. Seomra C. Cistin is the kitchen. Cistin. Moving upstairs, the bedroom is seomra codalta. Seomra codalta. The bathroom, seomra folctha. Seomra folctha. And that's where you're going to find this, the toilet. LEITHREAS is the Irish for toilet. LEITHREAS. Let's go to the kitchen. Cistin. So that's the place where you're going to find lots of food. Bia is the Irish for food. Bia. You'll also find the Cuisneoir there. That's fridge. Cuisneoir. And it could be Oscailte, which is open. Oscailte. Or it could be Dúnta, which is closed. Dúnta. Some things you might find in the fridge. Bainne is milk. Bainne. Cóis is cheese. Cóis. And Ainm is butter. Ainm. You're also bound to find an orange somewhere in the kitchen. Aráiste is orange. Aráiste. Arán is bread. Arán. And no kitchen is complete without this, a cup of tea. Cup on tea. Cup on tea. Moving on to some job titles then. Feirmeoir is a farmer. Feirmeoir. Múinteoir is a teacher. Múinteoir. Ultra is a nurse. Ultra. Dochtúir is a doctor. Dochtúir. Fear is a man. Fear. Feirmeoir, a businessman. Feirmeoir. Ban is a woman. Ban. Banghnoe is a businesswoman. Banghnoe. Gnó is one word for business, but an alternative word which encompasses business, commerce and trade is Dochtúir. Dochtúir. So that's 50 Irish words you need to know. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and I'll be back very soon. Thanks for watching. Slán go fóill.